spinach chutney with mommy's help, and this is a Malabar thingy. Let's learn something about this guy's history. So, mommy, do you know anything about this thing?
Yeah, little bit. This spinach is called Malabar spinach, and its scientific name is Basala alba, and I think it's grown mostly in Asia and Africa.
I wonder how this thing tastes. So let's eat it.
No, Siri, stop! Oh, no, stop! How? Siri, please.
For this recipe, you need 7 cups of our
Malabar spinach leaves.
1 big tomato, and you're gonna cut this into small pieces. 1 big onion, and cut this into big pieces. 5 broadleaf thyme leaves, tamarind, and 11 green chilies. Around 7 garlic cloves. Now we're using a steel vessel, and the flame is on medium heat. And we're gonna be adding some coconut oil. We're gonna add 1 spoon of coconut oil. Now we're gonna add in our garlic cloves and our green chilies. And we're gonna roast them for 30 seconds. Okay. Now we're adding in the onions. Roast the onions until they become transparent. So since our onions are transparent now, we're going to be adding our broadleaf thymes. So now we're going to mix, and we're going to add in our tamarind. And then we're going to add in our onions.
Sorry, tomatoes.
And we're going to mix this. It sounds really loud. Whoa, the leaves are shrinking.
Until leaves once you put it shrink.
Let's make it shrink. So roast this for like 30 seconds. And then we're going to be adding our leaves. Give the leaves some time to shrink so they all fit into the pot. So the leaves have shrunk a little bit, but we have to leave it for like 10 more minutes so the leaves can cook.
Yes. So after 10 minutes, mostly all these leaves will cook properly. And meanwhile, what we will do is we will prepare for
Popu.
Popu or tadka.
Okay, I'm good at this.
Okay. Yeah, let's leave this one. Siri, to make tadka or popu, we need these things. Tell me what we need.
So we need some chickpeas.
Split chickpeas or chana dal.
And then we need some mustard seeds. And some
cumin
seeds or jeera. And then we need sesame seeds and some of everyone's favorite turmeric. And we need some finely chopped curry leaves. So our spinach is nicely cooked now. You can see that it shrinked a lot. After the spinach has cooked, turn off the flame and let it cool down for a bit. I'm using a small bowl vessel on a medium flame for the tadka or popu, and I'm gonna add 1 spoon of coconut oil. So I'm gonna step away and let mommy do this part because I don't want it to pop on me.
Okay, Siri. Now oil is hot. I'm going to add this chana dal. Maybe a couple of tablespoons. And now I'm adding these mustard seeds, maybe a teaspoon. And next I'm going to add jeera, which is cumin seeds. And then I'll give a mix. So first we need to roast these a little bit. These are roasted a little bit. So now I'm going to add some sesame seeds. So sesame seeds basically cooks very faster. So now we have to add some curry leaves. We'll add some curry leaves now.
Oh, so that was makes it hot.
If you are afraid of popping, you can just close with the lid.
Ooh, that solves everything.
And next we will add some turmeric.
Yummy. Actually, I don't know if that's yummy, but
So I'm going to add this much turmeric. Maybe it's whole teaspoon turmeric.
okay.
And last ingredient is our hing. Little bit.
That doesn't look like a lot.
That is little bit. It's maybe 2-3 pinches.
This looks like a whole different curry.
No, this is tadka. It's part of every Indian curry actually. Okay, now we'll turn off the flame. So our next part is we have to grind whatever we have cooked before, which is spinach and all those vegetables. And then after we grind, we'll add some salt and then add this tadka to it and mix.
Oh, nice. So we're gonna blend it, but not until it turns like into a paste. So now I'm gonna add this blended mixture into a bowl. So there he goes. So now we're gonna be adding 1 spoon of salt, and then we're gonna mix. So creamy.
Okay, we should taste. You have to add salt according to your taste. So once you add salt, you can taste and find out whether it's enough or not.
Now we're gonna add the tadka that we made into our whatever it's called.
Malabar spinach chutney.
So we're just gonna add it in.
Then we have to give a good mix.
It smells so good.
So now mix it, Siri.
Whoa, that's so.
Mix should be up and
Thanks for
down.
watching our video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram at collars.and.spices. Bye! Thanks for watching.
Bye.